What is up, everyone? We are moving. Now, probably not the moving you're thinking of, but we are currently transforming this space here to be a little more friendly to our customers. Of course, I loved what we did the past iteration. I've changed the storefront quite a few times. This one definitely worked out. We kind of moved this rod rack here and the other rod rack, the big ones, but they still got in the way of the lights. So now we have teamed up with the welders and the engineers at Pong King, and we actually cut this down a little bit. The nice thing about working around a shop area and working with some really handy people is that we were able to do this very quickly, cut it down, got everything sanded down, put the rubber gaskets in for the floor here. So now all the rods are gonna be a little bit more accessible, especially to you vertically challenged people, as well as being able to not hit the lights, the ceiling, the fans. If you're in the area, make sure you stop by. By the time this video is posted, hopefully we have everything changed over. Of course, we're still gonna be using our Shimano, Daiwa, Megabass rod racks, but for all the other ones, the singles that we don't have room for on the racks, we're gonna be using these little cool cut down ones. So stay tuned here. I'm gonna have a little jump cut and we're gonna show you the final product. All right, y'all, check it out. We got the racks done, got the rod racks done anyway, back there. This is gonna change. It's gonna be a shelf for all these items down here that were just thrown here. So this is temporary, so that's gonna change, but we got all the island racks, as I like to call them, got all of them out in the center right here. Just feels a lot more open, and plus, when we have events and stuff, it's gonna make it a whole lot easier to clear the area out. You know, we can run seminars in here now, and the AC, so hopefully y'all enjoy it, have a little bit better customer experience. Not that it wasn't bad anyway, but of course, got all the same rods, reels out here. We're not getting rid of nothing. Plenty of room, plenty of rods, reels, tackle. Y'all can find it all at lakeprotackle.com. Y'all know where to go. Very pleased with what's going on right now. In terms of just the tackle we're getting in. Of course, we only have a few Q bombs left, as well as a large load of clutch swim baits. If you're looking for a herring style glide bait that just gets bites, it doesn't matter if you have herring or you don't, these little bad boys get bit all around the country. The clutch darter, I know it's got a little high price tag, but they are made with so much love, so much care, and they just outperform so many other baits out there, and you're definitely paying for what you get. It is a high quality bait. So let's run over to the swim bait case right now, actually. Of course, we got all the darters in there. I think we've got like 7 colors, 8, 9, 10, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors in darters. Chrome, white, I mean, sexy shad, mossback, of course, OGs. Doing a big load of Zimmer here coming up. Of course, the Ecos, 6 colors in the Ecos. Fish Everything G300s in there. Clash Jokers. We even have some of the Oliver Nye Big Bass Dreams cast collabs. Of course, some Depths 175s and those guys right there. Those guys are badass. So guys, I'm gonna sign off for now. I hope you enjoyed this little time-lapse episode of kind of everything that I've been doing here on the daily. Of course, if you're enjoying the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on it, and we'll see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.